A popular way to make a website stand out is to use a full screen image in the background. Now I'm going to show you how to do that simply using CSS and a div element. Now this can be applied to any type of element, but as long as it's got space within itself. So as long as it's got some pixels width and some pixel height, you're fine. It's important if you set height to 100% that obviously the container that is containing this container has some height as well, because it's going to take up whatever space the container's container is taking up, if that makes sense. Okay, so let's change this to pix to show you that that actually works as well. Make it 200 and 200. So here it will shrink down to there. And as you can see, the aspect ratio is maintained. And because this picture is wider than it is higher, the sides of the picture have been cut off so that it doesn't have any white space within the container there. Now, this is a really important concept to understand what cover means when it comes to images. It simply means that it will stretch out as far as it takes to completely cover the container, and any overflow gets cut off. And this is in direct, well, it's different to say contain, which means there is no image that is cut off. It is simply stretched to a point, and then white space is allowed for any parts that are not covered. So basically the container is containing the whole image. Yeah, so as you can see, there's some white space on the side, but the whole image is in there. So also it's important to know that no repeat should probably be used, because by default the image will repeat. If I turn this off, if I remove no repeat, you'll see that it repeats on the side. And background position center, yeah, there's a few different options there, but center is probably the most popular. So that's it. Very easy, very quick. Thank you for watching, and see you later.